Hello friends, I am Mahesh. I am studying in BA first year at Sri Gavisiddeshwara Arts, Science and Commerce College, Koppal, and my subject is optional English. Today I am going to take seminar on about historical novel. Let's start the video. Introduction. The year was 1857 and the winds over northern India carried whispers of rebellion. Dust clung to the feet of soldiers and civilians alike, and the scent of gunpowder lingered faintly in the air. Historical novel definition. A historical novel is a genre of fiction that takes place in the past, often featuring real historical events, people, or settings, blended with fictional characters and plots. Some important characters of a historical novels: authentic historical settings, historical accuracy, blending fiction with fact, exploration of historical themes, character development across time. Importance of historical novels. Historical novels brings history to life. Historical novels fosters empathy and understanding. Historical novels education value. Historical novels preserves cultural heritage. Historical novels explores universal themes. Some examples of historical novels: War and Peace, written by Leo Tolstoy. It's set during the Napoleonic Wars in Russia. A Tale of Two Cities, written by Charles Dickens. It's set during the French Revolution. Gone with the Wind by Margaret Mitchell. It's set in the American South during the Civil War. Types of historical novels: historical romance. Second one is war and military historical novels. Third one, social or political historical novels. Fourth one, historical mysteries or thrillers. Fifth one, family sagas. And sixth one, alternative history. Thank you all. Have a nice day.